Can we get a few words from you? A few words from you.
Is he going to come out?
Yes.
Where is he?
He's out. He's home. He's going home. Whilst you were here, he was driving out there.
And you've been integral in this whole process. How does that make you feel that he's finally out?
I mean, it's a legal process. He got bail and he's on his way home.
I mean, you heard the chatter over the weekend. Some people accusing your party members of playing politics.
I'm not interested in those comments. It serves us no good.
This was just you being a good person, just trying to help.
It serves us no good. What is important is that one of us was in trouble. He was arrested. We needed, as part of the legal process, to provide surety for bail. That has been done. He's been released. We wait for the next steps. That's what it is.
Why did it take so long?
It's a process. It's a process. It is a process.
But as of 11, you told us they have confirmed your documents. So we just heard from Bryan Acheampong.
You know what I say? So when you share our video, no, and my if you subscribe to this channel, no, I hit on the notification bell. Send a anytime you drop a video, no, you'll be among the first people to watch our videos. You know what I say?